back to my kitchen and another edition of Heidi Cooks Plants. Today I'm going to share with you a really easy way to make a healthy and nutritious breakfast with just a few simple ingredients. These are a big favorite of ours. These are vanilla protein waffles, vanilla banana oatmeal protein waffles. You just need just what I've got here in front of me, easy ingredients. I've got 1 cup of whole rolled oats. These are gluten-free. 1 banana. 1 cup of unsweetened plain almond milk. And if you don't want to use almond milk, you can use plain oat milk or soy milk or any other plant milk that you like. I've got 2 scoops of Arbonne vanilla protein powder. I'm going to show you what that package is. And the vanilla shake mix protein powder is pea-based protein, and it's got 23 grams of protein, very low glycemic, it's gluten-free, it's vegan, plant-based, all that good stuff. So you're gonna want that because that adds to all the extra flavor. And then I've got a tablespoon of ground flaxseed and about a teaspoon of Saigon cinnamon. So this could not be simpler. We're just gonna put everything in my blender. I always put the liquid in first because that way the blade has something to work with, and it doesn't matter really what order you put everything else in, but we're going to put everything in there. These are fabulous. There's no sugar added except for the sugar, the cane sugar that's in the protein mix. You get all the natural sweetness from the banana, and you will just love them. So we're gonna blend that up. Okay, so we have that all blended up. I'll show you what it looks like. Just a thick pancake batter or waffle batter. And if you don't have a waffle iron, don't worry, because these could be made easily into pancakes. Okay, so my waffle iron is all heated up, and I'm just going to pour a nice portion. I usually get 3 or 4 nice sized waffles out of 1 batch. So this is a perfect weekend breakfast. If you're just cooking for yourself, you can freeze the extras and reheat them in the toaster later in the week. But I usually get like 3 nice ones, and we're going to close that up. Okay, time is up and we are ready to take a peek at our waffle. Oh wow, that came out beautifully. Look how gorgeous, golden brown. Oops. And very gently flip it over, and so you can see it's nice and brown on both sides. A nice huge serving. And that one is going to be ready. So we're going to put the next waffle on the iron while we go dig in a little taste test. These are so good plain. You really don't have to add anything to it. I mean, you can if you want. If you want some maple syrup on there, you could, or even just some fresh fruit on top would be a good serving idea. I hope you're going to give these a try, and I'll see you in the kitchen soon. Bye.